Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become the cutest baby in Brookhaven. So you are going to select the avatar editor. Actually, I'm just going to go to this section first, select this avatar size, and make yourself super small like this. And then you are going to open up outfits, and you're just going to search like toddler or baby or whatever clothes they have. Oh my gosh, this one's super cute. Okay, I'm just going to use this. And then for the hair, I'm going to search again like toddler hair. I don't even know like what kind of, maybe like this cute one. Maybe like pigtails. I don't know. It's up to you like what you want to use. I think I'm just going to change the face as well because it's a little bit too grown up. Let me just delete the face first here. Oops. I don't know, just do whatever you want for the face. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.